lighting here. The linguistics of sound. Physics of sound. You strum a chord or you play an instrument and it emits a sound. There's a sound that's emitted from the instrument. So what determines the amplitude? What determines the frequency? When you play a note, on an instrument, what determines amplitude? What determines frequency? What determines acceleration? What determines momentum? What determines velocity? What is the sound trajectory that occurs? So we taking a physics analysis of sound. We're not looking at sound from a music perspective, from a music theory perspective. Because if you look at sound from a musical perspective, you have to get into the chromatic scales,